Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Dodge Challenger headlight bulb. First, gather your tools, including a ratchet, an extension, and a 10mm socket. You'll also need a new headlight bulb, so make sure it's the correct type for your Challenger. Always work on a level surface with the engine off and cool. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's get to accessing the headlight. Begin by removing the three 10mm bolts located at the top of your bumper cover. These are usually visible when you open the hood. Next, gently pull back the fender liner in the wheel well. This reveals two more 10mm bolts that secure the headlight assembly. Removing these bolts is crucial for freeing the headlight. With the bolts removed, it's time to take out the headlight assembly. First, disconnect the electrical connector at the back of the assembly by pressing the tab and pulling. Then, gently but firmly pull the entire headlight assembly straight out from the vehicle. Once it's out, twist the old bulb counterclockwise to release it from its housing. Avoid touching the glass of the new bulb. To finish up, insert your new bulb into the housing and twist it clockwise until it's securely seated. Reconnect the electrical connector. Carefully slide the headlight assembly back into place, ensuring it aligns correctly. Then, reattach all the 10mm bolts you removed earlier, securing the bumper and fender liner. Test your new headlight to confirm it works. For more great deals, including the Echo Dot smart speaker, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.